Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Karelin right here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful IKEA gold world map frame. Please do not forget to subscribe down below and like this video so I know to make future videos like this one. And without further ado, let's just get started with the video. The first step is to take the frame apart so I can go ahead and spray paint the frame. This process took me a while due to the fact that I didn't have the proper tools to take the frame apart. Here I'm using a knife from my kitchen because I didn't have anything else, and as you can see I was struggling a little bit, but at the end of the day I was able to take it apart. I got this frame from a thrift store, but it's actually an IKEA frame, and if you guys want to see more details about that, you can watch my room decor haul. I will be linking it down below. Then I go ahead and took my letters that were poking through. So you can see there is some of the letters that are a little higher than the other ones. So what I did was I took them out so I can have a flat surface to lay down my map. And there were in total of 3, so it was really easy to take out. Here I'm just taking the wooden pieces that is holding the glass and the frame together so I can go ahead and take the glass out of the frame and spray paint it. Then I took the outer piece of the frame to spray paint it. Here I'm using a gold spray paint with a metallic look. It's a beautiful gold paint. I gave it 3 layers because I wanted it to look nice and opaque, and this is the final look. I also went ahead and took those little wooden pieces and gave it a few coats with the same gold spray paint. Then I went ahead and took my map and put it on top of the letters. As you can see, I didn't have to spray paint it because the map pretty much covers all the letters in place. And I'm just going ahead and securing my map. Before I secure it with my hot glue gun, I make sure to measure where I wanted my map to be centered. So I did that off camera, but there I'm just showing you how I'm securing it with the hot glue gun. I went ahead and took the glass and cleaned it out so there is no dirt on it. Put it on the frame and took those little wooden dowels and put it back in the frame. Then I just went ahead and secured the wooden pieces into place so they're nice and secure and the glass is not going to come off. We are almost done. I just went ahead and cleaned the inside of the glass and put the back part back in the frame. I secured with some staples, well, lots of staples right over there. I'm just securing it down, and I just went ahead and put some nails in the wall as well. I put a total of 3 nails on the wall, and in a minute I'm going to be showing you the things I used to put in the back of the frame to secure it. Here it is. So I'm putting some hot glue to secure it in place so I can nail it down for extra security, so that frame is not going to go anywhere because it's kind of heavy. Then I went ahead and nailed it down. I couldn't find my hammer, so I just used this thing that I found in my kitchen. So this is the final look. I'm in love with how this DIY turned out. I love the frame, and the metallic finish of the gold just goes so nicely with my room. And again, if you like these videos and would like future videos like this one, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.